Hey, it's Sanim Mahmood, founders of SanimDesigns. I'm a graphic designer and Photoshop expert. In this video, I'm gonna show my portfolio, which is Behance. So let's get started. So this is my Behance profile. If you search behance.net/SanimDesigns, you can find my portfolio. So at first, I want to share our graphic design services. Our graphic design services is logo design, business card design, banner design, flyer design, brochure design, book cover design, social media design, t-shirt design, web template, UI design, packaging design, poster design, label, promotional item, sticker, raster to vector, 3D mockup, envelope design, digital painting. So this is our all about graphic designs services. Now I want to share my image editing services. Our image editing service is clipping path, e-commerce site, product image editing, image color correction, retouch photo, image resizing, add remove background, add remove watermark. So this is about our image editing skills or image editing services. So now why you can hire me or hire us. So basically I have a big expert team, professional, fast, friendly customer service at a fair price, ultimate revision, delivery full concept with presentation, certified from the California Institute of Arts, delivery print design format, 100% satisfaction guarantee. I never take a job that I cannot handle properly at them, and I am available to work 24 hours 7 days of a week. I really appreciate your time. So that's all about me and my portfolio. So you can also find me my Twitter account. This is my Facebook account, and this is my Dribble account. So if you need any graphic design or image editing services, please let me know. If you can message me on Twitter. So this is my Twitter account, you can see, and this is my Facebook ID. So if you message me here, I definitely reply you as soon as possible. So that's all about me. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.